Welcome to Code Fix, where you learn and enhance your programming experience. In this video we have shared how TypeError unsupported operand types for // str and int. This error occurs when you try to perform an integer division operation / between a string and an integer, which is not supported in Python. For example, consider the following code. When you run this type of example code, then you will get this error. Here, the variable x is a string containing the value 10, and the variable y is an integer with the value 3. When we try to perform the operation x / y, Python raises a type error because we cannot perform integer division on a string. To fix this error, you need to convert the string x to an integer before performing the division operation. You can use the int function to do this. Now let's run this example code. Here is the output you will get. In this corrected code, the int function converts the string 10 to the integer 10, allowing us to perform the integer division operation between 10 and 3. The result of this operation is an integer value, which is assigned to the variable z. Hopefully this video helps you to sort out the issue you were facing. If you still face problem or need further help, just write in comments. I will reply you as soon as possible. Before you go, if you like this video, you can subscribe for this channel for future videos which can help and assist you further.